How to install Anaconda. We start with opening our default browser and then Google Anaconda, download, and follow the link and download, and go for the Python 3.7 version and click download. Either save the file or open it with the installer. Okay. And then wait for it to download. When it's done, go to the Finder and Downloads and open the Anaconda package by double-clicking it. Click Continue and Continue, 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 Agree. Choose where to install it and make sure that you have enough space, in this case 2.26 GB. Continue, install, and type your password, install, and wait. In order to use Anaconda properly, you have to make sure to also install Microsoft Visual Code. So click on Install Microsoft VS Code. And continue. And close. And move to trash. And now if we go to Finder and Applications, then here we have the Anaconda Navigator, and if you double click you can open it.